para representar la obra de teatro de primero de la ESO, optativa inglés práctico. El teatro va sobre Halloween. Espero que lo disfrutéis.
Made a great effort to prepare the performance. I think they are very brave to come on stage and represent the play for you in English. Okay? Hope you enjoy it.
Time machine.
We'll go back in time to see our ancestors thought about ghosts and spirits. Ghosts and spirits.
Where we travel and literature. Literature. Mankind always wins. Worrying about this, and the afterlife speaks good evil, evil, evil.
Relax back, open your eyes and listen. Evil, evil, evil.
Let us go and make our visit.
More than 2,000 years ago, the Celtics arrived from the north of Europe celebrating the harvest season on October 31st. It was the end of summer. They collect their crops. All wheat, grain and barley. Sweet. It was also the time for a celebration of the new year. The year breaking in winter, the dark obscure winter, associate of orange, red and barley.
This was a magical time when the ghost of the dead walked the air.
It was the time when the veil between this and life was supposed to be at its thinnest.
People paid homage to the spirits of the ancestors who could make predictions about the future.
spirit too. Evil spirit come out of night with darkness, obscuring evil spirit. Oh no, wait, don't wait, evil spirits.
On days when the people in the village got together and lit bonfires to drive the evil spirits back to the spirit world, they burned crops and animals as sacrifices for the gods. Go away! Go away!
But of the 7th century, they designate November the 1st as Science Day, a day to venerate the science and all its beloved work.
The church absorbed the pagan tradition of Christianity. I was gay as Hallows Eve, which became Halloween. The holiday went to America with the Irish immigrants. They carved pumpkins and used them as lanterns, and the children playing spreads too. Trick or treat! Now with the hands on William say, we make our research. Singing Alice, the castle of Elsinore, in Denmark. Yes, Denmark. Shakespeare wrote without ghost in many of his plays, but the most famous of his ghost plays was without that Hamlet. And it is not just any spirit that comes back the world of the belief. It is a spirit of the king Hamlet. His uncle married the queen, his mother, and became king his son. Hamlet does not like his uncle, so the following night he comes to the basement to check his father's ghost.
Mother Spirit, if you ever love me, revenge my heart. Revenge Remember me.
Of course, Hamlet has doubts. Is this his father's ghost? Is this an evil spirit to lead him in the world wide? Could it be an evil spirit? Things get complicated and messy in a play. Hamlet kills Polonius by mistake. Ophelia, Hamlet's girlfriend, commits suicide. Many more people died, apart from Carl Claudius, the traitor. Up there, Hamlet happens to the man. He dies.
Be or not to be, that is the question.
Let's go on now to 1888 London. It is of terror as the architect Will Chapel.
He is most famous criminal of inhumanity, and this is not fiction, this is real. He called 5 victims at least.
Mary and Nicole first victim. And where is Jack the Ripper? Nobody knows, but everybody wonders when will he strike again? The Annie Chapman was a second while women who walked the street after midnight. And where is Jack the Ripper? Nobody knows, but everybody wonders. When will he strike again? Ha 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 ha! Lewis Carroll, the author of the celebrated story Alice in Wonderland, also wrote a series of the ghost poems, Phantasmagoria. Fortunately, these ghosts are mostly good.
All wings 9 and 9:30. Cold teeth and close and muddy. I have come home too late to lean. I'm sharp with seagulls and wine. Once printing in the studio.
There was a strategist in the room, and something white and wavy was standing near in the gloom. I took it for the carpet room. Left be that, colorless slavey.
But presently the thing began to shiver and to sneeze, on which I said, the thing repeats.
It turned to look in some Supremes, and they before my bare eyes. A little ghost was standing. I like you, don't you?
Yes,
Will you be my gift?
yes, oh Michael, it's beautiful.
No, it's official. I have to tell you something. I'm not like you, other guys.
Oh, of course, I love you, Michael.
No, I'm different.
So am I.
Hamlet, remember me, remember me.
Eider Erain.
Hamlet is out. Is his father a ghost? Is this an evil spirit?
Álvaro Poveda.
Be or not to be? That is the question.
Laura Ballester.
They are begging in Wizard, the dark obscure wizard of society to live.
Sara Marín.
It was the time when the peace between deep and life was supposed to be at its finest.
Laura Atienza.
It is an aura of terror as the killer what trouble.
Carla León. Dunia Enakli.
I had my hat on, my beautiful hat. I was looking for a Christmas, a client.
What can I do? I need money.
Noelia Mena y Alba Osma.
And where is the other river? Nobody knows, but everybody wonders whether we can strike again.
Fran García y Aitor Huerta.
I'm not like other guys.
Of course not. I love you.
I'm different.